So, long story short, could not communicate with the DDE, had it towed to a local dealer. They wanted to replace the DDE. This is tuned and deleted, so it wasn't a great option for me. Ended up having it towed home so I could continue troubleshooting. Found out pretty quick. One of the first things I did was take off all the connectors to the DDE, and the first thing I found was diesel within, I think this is module 3 here. I've cleaned it up since, but it was just soaked in diesel. So was the DDE. It's been draining out on my bench here for a couple days, and then I ended up cleaning it out with contact cleaner. Popped the cover off. It's all siliconed on, so it's kind of hard to get off, but popped it off, cleaned it out with silicone or contact cleaner. Fingers crossed that it's still good. Cleaned out all the electrical connectors here.